Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix your device is not compatible with this version of Play Store on any Poco phone. Now if you're trying to download an app and it shows an error of your device is not compatible with this version of Play Store, and if you want to fix this problem, just open the Settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from here tap on Manage Apps. Now from here just search Play Store. Now from here tap on Google Play Store. Now from here tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. Now from here tap on OK. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the Google Play Store. Now from here just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here scroll down and tap on About. Now once you tap on About, just scroll down and tap on Update Play Store. Now from here, as you can see, it is showing that our Google Play Store is up to date. Now just tap on Understood, and this is how you can fix your device is not compatible with this version of Play Store on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.